No, I barely had on red zone a little bit. No, I need to actually see the full replay. I saw it vaguely, like
Dude,
from a weird angle.
that's what I said. Congrats, Max, because literally like I was like, there's no way.
Yeah, I saw that he scored a touchdown, but I was like, it was like on the game cast. It wasn't like showing
It
that he had a
was
crazy.
it was the last play of the first
Yeah,
half.
yeah, that's
It was
tough.
the last play of the first half, and it was a Hail Mary, and he felt. Did you see how he caught it? He was on the ground. It bounced off his inner elbow, and somehow he secured it without it touching the ground. I don't like it was the crazy, and then he got up untouched and ran into the end zone.
Yeah, that's why fantasy's so stupid. Imagine being Latimer.
Look, not on top of that though, Kenneth Gainwell was also their return man, their punt returner, and he was getting every fucking snap after that play.
Yeah, it is kind of crazy how
He
much
did,
he plays.
he did nothing in the first half until that point, and they played him the rest of the game. The only time he didn't play was third down for Jalen Moore.
Like, Caleb Johnson was like a healthy scratch last week.
Well, Caleb Johnson, they hate him, and I wasted a second-round draft pick on him.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. I thought he'd be decent. I didn't love the situation there, but I thought he'd
I
be
thought he was
decent.
gonna take over lead back by mid-season. I thought he was gonna be their number one back by the mid-season. He wasn't.
No.
Although
it's not
Dylan
playing out.
Sampson's looking like it's panning out, dude. Quinshon Judkins is not gonna be the same coming back from that injury.
Bruh, fucking. Speaking of him, Blackout's team might be the worst championship roster I've ever seen.
I'm rooting for him, honestly, though.
I mean, yeah, but like Scott's team should murder him on paper.
Yeah, well, you should murder Max on paper, but
Yeah, we'll see.
Max's team just.
Knock on
Like,
wood,
he's
he has a
starting-
lot of draft capital, but we'll see if what he does.
I mean, Clayton should murder me on paper, but my hope is.
Yeah, anything can
My hope
happen.
is
with
he
fantasy.
has way tougher matchups than I do. I'm about to get torped. Just stay alive. Don't be a bad part.
You never
it
know
died.
what
It
can
died.
happen.
The torp died right before it got to me. No way. How does that happen? I'm the luckiest man alive.
We need to take out that Rio de Janeiro.
Yeah, I just lost. Oh no. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. I was trying to turn, dude.
I'm about to get off these APs. Whoever online told me to use APs on crack.
You have to like cancel your dispersion with it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Come on. Spin. Yeah. Oh, my torp hit. Did I kill him? Where is he? Oh, you gotta kill him now.
There we
So
go.
much work on that guy.
Easy.
42,000. It was mostly on him. Okay. Let me spectate.
Capture that area.
I'm looping back in hard. Oh, is it? What is it in the smoke? Is
I
that
would
a
stay.
destroyer?
I would stay right. I would stay right. Yeah, there's gotta be a. I can't tell what's over there. They have one destroyer left. It's gotta be a destroyer, but there's no inkling of him on the mini map. So he's just never been seen. He's gotta be a try hard. I mean, honestly. Yeah, I mean, I would just rip shots at this guy, but slowly make your way towards A, because you guys can go A, B,
So
you win. Just rip shots on your way out, yeah.
Gosh, damn these APs.
Yeah, dude, go HE. Don't do AP as a destroyer, unless, or as a cruiser, unless you're high
Online
level.
people said it has one of the
Higher tier.
best APs for cruisers.
Maybe. But you don't seem like an AP man.
Well, it should be. I got one city
No.
earlier. It was only 4,000. Yeah, what just happened?
No way our destroyer just ate that. Oh my days. What are we doing out here?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh, is he taking two? Oh no. Oh no.
Are you detected still?
Yeah,
Alright, I'd rip a last round and I would just try to
I'm
get
speeding away.
undetected
He's already out of
right
my
there.
range.
Oh, okay.
The fuck is this destroyer? I don't have a spotter.
All forces, capture that area.
Yeah, okay, easy for you to say. Who's saying that?
Affirmative.
Arizona? No. Who said that shit?
Said
It was
what?
Deutschland. He said to go capture C. He's a dumbass. Capture AB, you win the game. Trust. Trust. There's 11:44 left. Capture AB. Take out this Fuso.
All forces, capture that area.
See if you can get an assisted capture. Get in that B.
I don't think I'm gonna
Use
get
some
there in
extra
time.
credits. Why is our destroyer leaving it? Oh my god, we're gonna lose it.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Oh, he stopped.
Good show.
Why is that on fire? Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get any of these captures. Detected by who? Where? Those shells flying at me right now? No way. Oh my gosh. Oh, son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. How does it have such far range?
Stand by. Oh my god, that's Corpse City. I don't like the sensitivity on the camera. Like it's kind of AIDS.
I wouldn't know, I never die. Okay.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Well, I switched back to AP and I just cityed the fuck out of him and sank him, so. Guess that works. Honestly,
Yeah,
did
that
not
was
know I
AP?
switched back to. Yeah, I honestly did not know I accidentally switched back to AP.
Hey, would Reddit ever lie to you?
You can trust them with things like this. Other things, not so much. Oh no. Oh my gosh, there's so many torps. Oh my, we might be screwed actually. Is he gonna avoid those? Nice.
Oof.
I've kind of got to hide the rest of this match. I might just actually go back to the sea.
Oh yeah, I would just mob over because the amount of firepower we got left, not everybody's got a lot of health. You just gotta help your teammates. If this destroyer gets knocked out too, it's GG's for them. Although, I guess if everybody missed shots... Yeah, you gotta get over here. This Fuso still has too much HP left.
I'm probably gonna start shooting at this destroyer when I can.
Everybody's focusing him, but he's running, dude. He's not gonna be able to win the game. It's this Fuso that could. Yeah, our destroyer has the right idea. He's gonna die though, because everybody else is running away.
All right, he's
I mean,
gone. He's
you
not
guys
gonna see
can
me.
you guys can win. You guys can win by living, but what's the fun in that?
I'm going to go see right now.
Oh my god, our destroyer just... He went way too balls to the wall with how few people were left. Oh, he's turning into the... Yes, eat 2 of them.
Shit, how am I detected?
Yeah. Because there's a destroyer somewhere over here. He's like on C-ish.
I thought he would be going in to fight over there. Miscalculated.
Nope.
Oh gosh, he's shooting at me.
He was running. Yeah, everybody else is hiding for a reason.
Oh my.
After that destroyer went down,
Oh
it
my
was
gosh.
time to hide. I steered you wrong.
I'm running. Yeah, I'm gonna take a hard left over here. Just get away. Bro, what is this fucking guy's range?
It's a small map.
He's 22 kilometers away and he's shooting at me. I want to go cap it, but probably not the smart idea.
No, just defend B. It's the only thing that they can cap right now. I don't know why they're running so hard. I don't think the timing works. No way the timing works, right?
What are they doing?
Their team's running. But they keep destroying our guys. Stop fucking getting his line of fire. There's only 3 of you left now. You need to defend B. You can't get away from it, because that if the destroyer comes in and caps it, then we definitely lose.
Yeah, I'm just looping around.
And this Fuso is trying to make sure he does not die. It's gonna be really fucking close. I'm telling him. You guys can see my chats, right?
Mm-hmm. Protect B. Is this gonna...
The timing should
shit
work.
here.
The timing should work. We should catch them. I don't know the exact rate. But we catch them, we double their points every second. So
It's gonna be close.